Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, remove the 6 screws securing the base cover and the 2 screws by the hinges. Pry the cover off from the recess points near the hinges. Find and disconnect the battery cable. Identify the speakers. Unplug the cables. Unroute and remove the speaker cable from the routing guides. Lift the speakers along with the cable out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, using the alignment posts and rubber grommets, and place the speakers in the slots. Route the speaker cable through the routing guides. Connect the speaker cable to the connector. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.